out to drop off the car at the tire shop for an alignment, and typically that can take anywhere from 2 to 3 hours. So instead of waiting at the shop, I'm actually walking to the nearest supermarket to buy the ingredients for tonight's dinner. So I want to take you along with me to shop for these items, and then we'll come back home to prepare dinner. Come on, let's go. Tonight for dinner, we will be having steak with tostones de pana topped with guacamole. For the beef recipe, you will need 2 pounds of beef loin flap meat, 20-ounce bottle of Mojo marinade, medium-sized pan, and an oven. For the guacamole, you will need 2 haas avocados, 1 lime, red onion, cilantro, salt, and pepper. For the tostones de pana, you will need a bag of frozen tostones de pana, avocado oil, and garlic salt. For the beef, you will first need to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You will then place the meat inside the pan. I use the red copper medium-sized pan, and personally this is one of my favorite pans since it is oven safe and it maintains the heat to evenly cook the meat. You will need to pour the entire Mojo marinade so that the liquid is fully covering the meat. Place the meat inside the oven and cook for an hour. After the hour has passed, you will need to flip the meat and cook for another hour. In a bowl, place the scooped avocado and use lime juice of half a lemon. Toss to coat. Using a potato masher, add salt and pepper and begin to mash. Then fold in the onions and cilantro and the other half of the lime juice. Let sit in the refrigerator for an hour and then serve. For the tostones, I buy the Goya frozen tostones de pana, which are also known as breadfruit, in my local supermarket, Publix, in the international section of the frozen foods. In the small red copper pan, I preheat avocado oil enough to cover the tostones. I fry them for about 3 minutes or until golden. I drain on paper towel and then I add garlic salt to taste. And this, my friend, is the final product. If you liked it, make sure to hit the like button below and share the video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe. Till next time.